Discover this magnificent riverfront estate surrounded by gorgeous scenery and resting on 5.5 serene acres in a coveted Westland location along the Tualatin River and just minutes from the historic Willamette neighborhood. The long private drive and exquisite landscaping welcome you to this stately home. Extensively remodeled with the finest materials and craftsmanship, you'll discover rich architectural appointments throughout and inviting, entertaining spaces. The cozy family room with a stone hearth fireplace opens to the huge veranda for grand entertaining, overlooking the expansive patio. The nearby gourmet kitchen features a high-end range, 2 dishwashers, a pantry, and opens to the sun-drenched nook. Steps away, you'll find a convenient kitchenette, additional storage, and plenty of space for your projects. The butler's pantry opens to the elegant, formal dining room. A main-level office features a wall of windows, built-ins, and a cozy fireplace. Upstairs, your oversized primary suite is a private retreat. Enjoy evenings by the ensuite fireplace or morning coffee on the veranda. The spa-like bath features heated marble tile floors, a soaking tub, a steam shower, and a massive walk-in closet. You'll find 2 more spacious bedrooms and another remodeled bath nearby. Up another level is the perfect quiet space for an additional bedroom or home office, with another remodeled bath and a walk-in closet. Downstairs, the theater setup is ready for movie night, plus you'll find a wet bar, room for a billiard table, and an impressive custom-built 4,000-bottle wine cellar. With another guest space, full bath, and a separate entrance, it also offers multi-generational living possibilities. Make memories with friends and family by the bocce ball court. Or relax in the covered hot tub and by the fire pit. Enjoy multiple gardens, sitting areas, and rich nutrient soils that have been farmed organically for decades. Or savor river views by the mature trees. A classic red barn has room for all of your toys. And you'll find a massive 2-level shop in your oversized 3-car garage. An enchanting riverfront estate where you'll never want to leave. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.